Hello everyone, I am Giuseppe from Gravelisi Style, and in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my custom overcoat from Suitsupply. I will show the unboxing, some outfit ideas, and also my final thoughts in this video. If you want to skip to a certain part of the video or see a certain part of the video, there will be timestamps below. Let's get to the unboxing. Now we know what this coat looks like, let's put together some outfits with it. Do I think that this overcoat is worth it? In my opinion, yes it is. Even though the price on this item is very high, it is a worthwhile investment for me, especially that it's a piece that I'll be using for probably the rest of my life. Should you get an overcoat? Honestly, yes. You don't have to spend as much as I did, but I do recommend getting one. If you did enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing. We also have an Instagram account if you are interested as well. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.